So today we're going to be making potato bread. Just cook your potato, peel the back and mash it. Keep it aside. Add water in a bowl, yeast, salt, turn it. Cover it, to rise. Then add your flour. Make sure you sieve the flour. I also added powdered milk here. And then this is the potato. I've already mashed it. So I'm going to mix everything together. You can actually use hand to do this if you don't have this machine. Okay, so take your time, let it mix, and then along the line please add butter. Okay, if you see the pan, round the pan, you notice that there is butter. Okay, I've covered it again for an hour to rise. Okay, and then I'm going to portion it according to the pan I'm going to be putting them into. It does not have a particular measurement in terms of portioning. Just look at the measurement of your pan and make sure that it covers your pan. So you can see I'm just trying to use hand. You don't need to go through any other stress since you use machine to mix. Okay, so I'm just portioning it according to the measurement of my pan, and then after that grease the pan that you are going to be making use of, and then start adding them into the pan. You can see it's exactly the measurement of the pan, and I'm covering them as I'm adding it because I need it to rise again. Okay, here I've covered it. Okay, I've come back to check it, see how it has risen. Now it is going to be going into the oven. At this stage you can actually grease it with either butter, melted butter, or with egg. So it has baked. You can see how the bread came out. Okay, look at it. Okay, I'm going to be cutting it for you to also see the inside of the bread. Okay, see, it is not difficult. You see, this is a very healthy bread. You can see